Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong international news dito kay Road Trip Reacts. At ito sa Japan earthquake ngayong 2024 live na live. Alright, an powerful earthquake is struck on southern Japan nitong Thursday, causing mostly minor injuries but raising the level of concern over the possible major quakes stemming from undersea through east of the coast. Galing pala sa dagat ang earthquake. Officially said 9 people were injured on Japan's southern main island of Kyushu, but the injuries were mostly minor. There were no reports serious damage, and tsunami advisory for earthquake were later lifted. Alright, let's do watch guys. Alright, another further ado. Let's do watch. Paano ang nangyaring earthquake? Grabe. Yan po ang pangyayari dito sa Japan. Koyu, Japan. And magnitude 7.1 earthquake rattle southern Japan. At ingat-ingat tayo lalo na sa Pilipinas. 7.1, malakas na yan. Miyazaki. Lakas na din doon. At tumaas din guys ang tubig dyan. Yan o, lakas ng pangyanig. At tumaas din ang dagat. Alright, thank you so much sa panonood at pagkinig dito kay Road Trip, and see us again sa ating reaction video. Alright, and peace out sa inyong lahat.